The religion of love. 700 years ago, Ibn Arabi wrote this about love. My heart has become capable of every form. It is a pasture for gazelles and a monastery for monks, a temple for idols and the Kaaba of the pilgrim, the tablets of the Torah and the book of the Quran. I follow the religion of love. Whatever way love's camels take, that is my religion and my faith. True spirituality isn't division. It's love in every form. These words from the great mystic Ibn Arabi remind us that love sees no boundaries. Imagine hands of every color, praying in 1,000 different tongues, all reaching for the same divine light. True spirituality is a river that flows through every valley, nourishing every soul. So, in the end, my heart is open to every form. It is a pasture for gazelles and a monastery for monks, a temple for idols and a pilgrim's Kaaba. My religion is the religion of love. Whichever way love's caravan may go, that is my religion and my faith.